Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel The Nation Needs You. I am R.C. Misra, soft skill trainer, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I come today with a new lesson for you, which is very much essential and important for everyone. Okay, and in today's session, we are going to discuss 10 tips for perfect English pronunciation. Okay, so if you are really going to follow these 10 steps at least for 10 days, you are going to look more fluent than before, and your pronunciation is going to look better also. You know, everybody, when we talk with someone, it is all about what? Impressing people. So there are few people who love to impress, but after all, your body language and your sound and your intonation, the pitch or the things that you talk really does matter. Let me tell you a simple example. The example is what? When we are talking with foreigners, when you listen to the native speaker of foreign country, the way they talk is not the same that we are speaking. So the main thing is what? We need to follow some of them to be what? Look like a pro speaker, a active speaker. In today's session, I am going to teach you 10 miraculous or very important tips to sound more like pro and active speaker. So without wasting time, let me start. The first point is what? Listen to yourself, because you are going to be the best mentor for yourself, because you know your low faults, you know your bad part, so you are going to be the best judge for yourself. Because I have seen many students, when they read, they talk, they are doing wrong pronunciation, and when they have not much knowledge about word also, that is also a problem. So in this series, we are going to discuss 10 steps. So out of them, the first one, what? Listen to yourself, because you are going to analyze whether you are speaking correct or not. So the first bullet point here, the very best way to listen yourself is like what? You are going to capture or record your speech daily. Let's say you are going to select a topic daily. Let's say my father, my mother, let's say my sister, my grandmother, my grandfather, my uncle and aunties, my country, India. Let's say you are going to select a simple topic and talk for 2 minutes. Record your voice for first time. Next time again doing it. You do that repeatedly until you don't feel satisfied. Obviously you will get the result. So here what? Record your speech daily. Okay, and point number 2, slow down. Like, let's say, let me tell you, there is a dogma, there is a enigma, there is a confusion among people that they feel like that if someone is speaking faster, like a cricket commentator or like a athletes, when they are talking faster, or any debate program or the news anchor, they feel like they are fluent. No, in communication skill, what you want to convey, if the message passed properly to the second parties, then this is going to be a good communication. So that's why I must tell you that speaking fast is strictly prohibited in my point of view. Because if you speak fast, you are unable to take breath. So you are unable to do breath. So what happened? The problem is like what? You are confused and stop, and sometimes stop also. Take sufficient pauses whenever needed, because we need oxygen. So we are not in a hurry and we are not going to miss our bullet train. So don't speak what? The way Rajnikant work. No, 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 no. If it is a commentary, then if it is a live show you are hosting, then you are talking there faster, that is well and fine. But in normal case, you are not going to talk like this. Okay, so one more. Breathe properly while talking. Let's say, if you think for a while, you can make more perfect sentence. You know grammar, you know tenses, you know other part of English. So how can you use it in the right way? Thing is that if you have time, you can easily use it. Let's say you know a word called contumacious. Contumacious. Okay, it means what? Stubborn or jiddi. So how you are going to use this word? In my last video, I discussed around 2-3 words and their sentences. It means what? If you know a word and meaning, you can use it in any, let's say, in any sentence. So main thing is what, everyone? That if you take sufficient breath, then what? You will get extra time for thinking and you will speak. Okay, if it is a debate, then there is a what quick answer is needed. At that time you are speaking, that is well and fine. Okay, come to number 3. The point is picture it. How can you picture something? Go for imagination. Let's say, close your eyes, listen to some audio file, and you are going to visualize the word, that how to pronounce the word, and always put a phonemic, what? Always put a phonemic, I can say. Always put a phonemic chart along with you. What is phonemic chart? Where the all 44 sound is written, the symbol is written. Maybe nasals, maybe fricatives, maybe the other part, like there is pa, ta, da, ka, ga, ja, like that. There is a list in Odia, I am telling. Okay, so that thing you are going to follow, the rules and regulations. Because for us, we are not native speakers, so it is a difficult job, but I am not discouraging you. I know that it is possible if you go with regular practice. Okay, I have seen many Indians, they are talking better. You can take the best example here, Shashi Tharoor, a MP from Thiruvananthapuram, okay, and work outside India for many years. He has written more than 16 or 17 books. Out of them, I have gone with just one yet. Okay, so number 3 is what? Picture it. Go for a visualization. Close your eyes. Now moves to number 4 tips of the day, that get physical. You see, the speaking part is a physical exercise. It means what? You are going to practice difficult word daily. You need to find a series of difficult words. Simple word you can pronounce, because you listen all the time, you observe, you can easily speak. But what about the difficult word? In that part you are making most of the mistake. Most of the mistake are from which part? The difficult words, right? So always make a list of practice difficult word. Points number 5 and tips 5, watch yourself. How can you watch? Stand in front of a mirror, then compare with other native speaker. You listen to many more speakers on YouTube, on Insta, on YouTube, on Facebook, with different platforms. After listening to them, now go for the same dialogues, go for the same speech, and just wrote it down, just jot down it, and try to speak the way they spoken. And now you are going to compare that whether you are going to talk like him or her or not exactly. Let's say if I follow Sadhguru, the Jaggi Vasudev, the man with a snake, cobra. Okay, he also drink cobra venom, very miraculous, right? This is what? Okay, he is a philanthropist, I must say, everyone. So let's say if you follow him, the common part is of in his speech is what? Hello. In the middle he say hello to what? Getting the attention from people. Because if the people are not looking to you, not listening to you attentively, then what happens? Then nothing is going to work out. Even though there is an audience of, let's say, 100, and out of 100 only 10 are listening to you, means what? You have a problem in your speaking. That you have to recorrect. Okay, one more. Number 6, copy the expert. you see that we Indian build, let's say, I can say we have an inbuilt quality. I must say that's the we come from what our forefathers ancestors are what monkeys, and monkey has a what great skill. What is that? Copy and paste. What is that? Copy and paste. All the time it is not possible, but this is called smart work, right? So what you can do, you can copy the exports, and for that you are going to listen few podcasts every day. It's an audio file, and listen to English radio program. You'll go for some television, watch some let's say English drama, and one more I must say movies, because movies play a very important role in our speaking. Let's say with subtitle, I'm not telling without subtitle. And one more thing I must suggest everyone, number 7 tip, practice English alone. What is that? Practice English alone. Yes, in a GD you can take part, but here what is the point? I mean to say, make sufficient mistake. It because you see we are not a machine, we are what human being, and mistakes are very common. But if you are repeating the mistake, it become crime. That is a disaster. That's a different thing, everyone. So here, make sufficient mistake. Don't hesitate to make mistake. If you're ready to ask question in the class and other people, then you are serious about the topic. You are really ambitious in your future, in your life, and create a scenario. You are going to create a scenario. Why? What type of scenario? Let's say you called someone, you talk with stranger, reserving a hotel outside Odisha, like talking. So there are multiple platforms are there that I'm going to share with you. And number 8, find a language body. Language body means what? A native speaker of other country. And for that there is a paid service and there is a free service. Choice is yours. If you go with Cambly, you will get hi-fi trainer there. They are from the other countries, obviously they sound more pro, okay? Or you will go for a free application that I used personally called Ablo. The Ablo is software is what like that. You need only an email ID for the registration. After that, you are going to talk with foreigner for few time, let's say few minutes. But if they allow you, then you can talk for 1 hour. Last time I had a talk with a girl from Philippines and a boy, Mark, from Los Angeles. So keep trying in that. You will get a line, you will get some chance to talk with them in daily basics. Okay, point number 9, the tips of 9 of the today's class. Pay attention to intonation and stress. जो वर्ड पे आपको ट्रेस देना चाहिए देना पड़ेगा. और intonation like what? The high pitch, low pitch, like the what I can say wave. So what is here? What? Pay attention to intonation, right? And what I can say, for this there is a job that you need to do. What is that? Master individual sound. Let's say here is a word contumacious. What is the word? Contumacious. It means what? Very stubborn, indisciplined, I can say directly, or a naughty boy who do mischievous job at home. So contumacious, stubborn. So like that you are going to learn every individual difficult word. And tip number 10, everyone, sing a song. What is the thing? Sing a song. So you are going to sing a song daily. Select one song and sing for a week. If you become master in that, change the song. So these are the 10 tips that we talked today. Number 1, I am repeating, listen to yourself. Number 2, slow down, don't speak faster. Number 3, picture it. And number 4, get physical, okay? And number 5, watch yourself, stand in front of mirror. Number 6, copy the expert. And here in number 7, practice English alone and find a language body, pay attention to intonation and stress, and at the end, what? You are going to sing a song. So this much for today class. I will meet you people in my next video. I hope if you like the video, encouraging me. You can subscribe to my channel, okay, and you can also like and share also. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you people with a new requirement for your sake, for your development in spoken English. Thank you so much for watching.